Collision insurance. It covers the repair or replacement costs of your vehicle if it is damaged in a collision, regardless of fault. Exactly. Collision insurance is a type of auto insurance coverage that helps cover the costs of repairing or replacing your vehicle if it is damaged in a collision, regardless of who is at fault. Here are some important points to understand about collision insurance. Coverage. Collision insurance specifically applies to damage to your own vehicle resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object, such as a tree, fence, or wall. Fault irrelevance. One of the key benefits of collision insurance is that it pays for the repairs or replacement of your vehicle, regardless of who is responsible for the accident. This is in contrast to liability insurance, which covers damage you cause to others. Repair costs. Collision insurance typically covers the costs of repairing your vehicle up to its actual cash value, which is the value of your vehicle taking into account its age, conditions, and depreciation. Vehicle replacement. If the cost of repairs exceeds a certain threshold, often the actual cash value of the vehicle, collision insurance may cover the replacement cost of your vehicle instead of repairing it. Deductible. Like other types of insurance, collision coverage requires you to pay a deductible before the insurance company covers the remaining repair or replacement costs. The deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket. You can choose a deductible amount when selecting your collision coverage. Mandatory vs. Optional. Collision insurance is not typically required by law, but it is often required by lenders or leasing companies if you have a loan or lease on your vehicle. If you own your vehicle outright, the decision to carry collision insurance is optional and depends on your preferences and the value of your vehicle. Coverage limits. Collision insurance policies have coverage limits that define the maximum amount the insurance company will pay for repairs or replacement. It is essential to review and understand these limits to ensure they are adequate for your needs. Comprehensive coverage. Collision insurance is often paired with comprehensive insurance, which covers non-collision related damage to your vehicle, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or hitting an animal. Together, collision and comprehensive insurance provide more comprehensive protection for your vehicle. Considerations. When deciding whether to get collision insurance, consider factors such as the value of your vehicle, your ability to pay for repairs or a replacement out of pocket, and the potential impact on your premiums. Consultation. It is advisable to discuss your specific situation with your insurance provider or a licensed insurance agent to determine the right amount of collision coverage and to understand any limitations or exclusions in your policy. Remember to review your insurance policy documents carefully, as coverage details and terms can vary among insurance providers. Comprehensive insurance. This coverage protects against non-collision incidents, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or hitting an animal. is a type of auto insurance coverage that provides protection against a wide range of non-collision incidents or events. Here are some key points to understand about comprehensive insurance. Coverage. Comprehensive insurance covers damage to your vehicle that is not the result of a collision with another vehicle or object. It helps protect against various risks, including theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, such as hurricanes, floods, or earthquakes, falling objects, hitting an animal, and other similar incidents. Non-collision incidents. Comprehensive insurance specifically focuses on events and damages that are not caused by a collision. It provides coverage for unexpected and uncontrollable incidents that can cause damage to your vehicle. Theft. If your vehicle is stolen, comprehensive insurance can help cover the cost of replacing the stolen vehicle, minus the deductible. Vandalism. If your vehicle is intentionally damaged or vandalized, comprehensive insurance can help cover the repair costs. Natural disasters. Comprehensive insurance protects your vehicle against damage caused by natural disasters such as floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, or wildfires. Hitting an animal. If you collide with an animal, such as a deer, comprehensive insurance can cover the damage to your vehicle. Deductible. Similar to collision insurance, comprehensive insurance policies require you to pay a deductible before the coverage takes effect. You can choose the deductible amount when setting up your policy. Optional coverage. Comprehensive insurance is typically optional, but it may be required if you have a loan or lease on your vehicle. Even if it's not required, having comprehensive coverage can provide added peace of mind and financial protection. Coverage limits. Like other insurance policies, comprehensive coverage has specific limits that determine the maximum amount the insurance company will pay for repairs or replacement of your vehicle. Review and understand these limits to ensure they meet your needs. Combined coverage. Comprehensive insurance is often bundled with collision insurance, forming a more comprehensive insurance package that protects against a wider range of risks. It's important to carefully review your insurance policy documents, as coverage details and terms can vary among insurance providers. If you have specific questions about comprehensive insurance or want to understand the options available to you, consult with your insurance provider or a licensed insurance agent.